Every morning, millions of people unknowingly repeat a tiny habit that silently drains their health, ruins their skin, and lowers their energy. Are you one of them? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the morning mistakes that could be affecting your entire day, and how one simple change can fix it. Welcome to Skin and Health Channel, where we uncover simple health secrets that make a big difference. If you want more energy, glowing skin, and a healthier life, hit subscribe and let's dive in. Meet Sarah, a busy young professional. Her mornings are always the same. Alarm rings, she grabs her phone, scrolls through notifications and gulps down a cup of coffee before rushing to work. It seems harmless, but within weeks she noticed constant fatigue, dull skin, and brain fog. What Sarah didn't realize was that her morning habits were silently sabotaging her health. Here is what's really happening in the body. Phone first thing equals stress spike. Checking your phone floods your brain with cortisol, the stress hormone. This wires your brain for anxiety before the day even begins. Skipping water equals dehydration. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is thirsty. Ignoring hydration leads to headaches, tired skin, and poor digestion. Coffee on empty stomach equals acid imbalance. That quick coffee irritates the stomach lining, causes bloating, and can worsen anxiety over time. Sarah made one small shift. Instead of grabbing her phone, she drank a full glass of water, stretched for 3 minutes, and delayed checking her notifications. Within 2 weeks, her focus improved, her skin looked brighter, and she felt more energized. Sometimes, the smallest changes have the biggest impact. Here's how you can fix your mornings starting tomorrow. 1. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of water right after waking up. 2. Take 5 deep breaths or do a quick stretch before touching your phone. 3. If you drink coffee, pair it with water or light snack. Tomorrow morning, try this simple reset and notice the difference in your energy and skin. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button so more people can discover it. For more easy health hacks, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. What's the very first thing you do when you wake up? I'll be checking the comments and replying to as many as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.